Hello guys, welcome to Spinners Techs. Today is another day and I'm going to show you how to go about Windows 10. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, you like, and then hit on the bell so that anytime I drop in a new video, you'll be the first person to get a notification on it. So, getting started with Windows 10 is something quite easy and interesting you like to try your hands on. So whether you are using a new computer with Windows 10 or an older machine that was recently upgraded, this special lesson will show you the basics of using this version of Windows. Yes, so to start with, I'll start with signing in to Windows 10. Before you can probably get to the desktop and be using your Windows, be going through your files and other stuffs, you have to sign in to your Windows. And doing that, you'll probably be asked to create a Microsoft account the very time you use Windows 10. From this point on, whenever you turn on a computer, you need to sign in to that account. To do this, you have to type in your password into the box and press enter. So guys, let's move on, and this will be our second point, that is navigating the desktop. Probably after signing in, it will take you to the desktop. So once you've signed in, the first thing you will see is the desktop. You can think of the desktop as the main workspace for your computer. From here, you can view and manage your files, open applications, access the internet, and do much more. Yes, so our third point has got to do with opening applications. You use the start menu to open programs. The start menu to open programs on your computer. That's like with previous versions of Windows, say Windows 7, Windows 8, So to do this, click the start button in the bottom left corner. So the start button is at the bottom left corner. Then choose the desired application. If you don't see the one you want, you can scroll to see a full list of applications. In the example below, we are looking for opening OneNote, let's say Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, a lot you can think of. Yes, so our fourth point got to do with working with files. You use the File Explorer to manage your files and folders. To open File Explorer, click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar, or double click any folder on your desktop. I have pictures attached to my video. When you look at the right side of the slide, you see pictures attached to it, and you see that the mouse button on the File Explorer. So you just have to click on it and then you are through. Great, we are almost through, and this is probably our fifth point, which is searching for files and apps. So how can we search for files and apps on Windows 10 PC? To search for something on your computer, like a specific file or application, you have to click the search box, then start typing. In the example below, we are searching for a Microsoft Word document named Aunt Katie's Carrot Cake. Aunt Katie's Carrot Cake. So we started typing in the carrot, and then probably it popped up. So last but not least, be on adjusting your settings. This is very important part of our lesson, which you have to pay much attention. So you use the setting app to change the most important settings on your computer, like your network and display options. To open the app, click the start menu, then select settings. So probably in our previous topic, we talked about just clicking the start menu, and then if you don't see the specific app, you can just type in. So you type for settings, and it will come. You click on it to open. You can also use the control panel to adjust your settings, just like in earlier versions of Windows. However, there are some options that can only be accessed from the settings, that is the app, like adding a new user. Because of this, you probably use the settings app more often. Take note. Great, we are through. This is our very last point, which has got to do with shutting down your computer. After using your PC, doing whatever you want to do, going through your files, probably finishing up with some Word documents and stuff, browsing for certain things on the internet, you have to shut it down for it to have a sleep, a rest for some time. So with that, when you are done using your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. Please, properly. It's not taking off the power cable for it to go off unexpectedly, or holding the power key for it to go off. No, properly is by shutting down with the OS. So to do this, click the start button, then choose power, then it will pop up sleep, shutdown, restart. This time is shutdown, so you click on shutdown for it to shut down properly. Yes guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed your lesson, and I have a special video coming out that is on shortcut keys in computing. Shortcut, basic ones, you like it. I'm going to show you how to apply shortcut keys on your keyboard to go about your PC. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and like button, so that anytime I drop in that particular video, you'll get a notification on that. Thank you and have a nice day.